Hello, welcome. This is Why Pass Question. Hello, welcome. This is Why Pass Question. Literature in English, year 2019. Question number 23 says the narrative techniques is dash A. Third person, second person, that is B. Third C. Interior monologue. D. Multiple narration. The correct answer here is B, which is first person. First person is the narrator. So if you look at the unseen prose keenly, you will notice that there is somebody who narrates the story, telling us or pointing to the various character in the text. Thank you and God bless you.